With just over 1 year of being open for business, this new Etsy seller made $58K in total revenue and a monthly revenue of $5K from selling watercolor clip art designs, a sub niche that takes less than a minute to create. The best part, it has minimal competition. So if you're looking for a profitable watercolor clip art design sub niche to add to your Etsy store, keep watching as I review the best way to use a simple prompt to create this potential digital product using AI. Before I jump into creating any random design, I needed to check for a sub niche that was performing well and had promising results. And I stumbled upon this watercolor clip art sub niche that solely concentrates on underwater design. By analyzing this product, I noticed it was added to 17 people's cart, indicating good demand. I later shifted my focus to the review section to check for any recent reviews. As a result, I noticed a recent review that was made this month, showing that people were still buying this product. However, since not every buyer leave a review, I wanted to know how much this product actually made in a month and the total revenue performance on Etsy. To get this information accurately, I decided to use an external analyzer tool called Alura. After creating an account, chose keyword and type in the product's keyword. As a result, I was able to see the monthly sales of this product and total revenue. This brought me to the conclusion that the low competition in this sub niche is the reason why sellers are generating good amounts of revenue from this product every month. Now, before we move into creating this design using AI, we need to first create a prompt for each design. And after experimenting with different prompt methods, here's how I made a better prompt. First, I go over to the thumbnail of this product and look for an image I can describe. For example, I'll describe this image using a format that works best for any image generation platform. First, I describe the background in a white background. Then I provide the subject of the prompt, which is imagine a grateful butterfly fish with integrated pattern and vivid colors, exploring a colorful underwater garden. Finally, the style, which is watercolor style. With this prompt format, all you have to do is to replace the subject of the prompt to keep getting better results. And for this particular design, I discovered 3 AI platforms that generate better results when it comes to watercolor clip art designs. And the last platform will blow your mind. The aim here is to generate the same prompt over these platforms. Then you will decide which one did well. The first is Ideogram. This AI is known for its incredible performance when it comes to handling text in an image. In this AI, you get 10 free image generation every day. One thing I like about this AI, it's the ability to refresh your prompt into what the AI understands. Now, after pasting my prompt, I left the style as none because my prompt had 1. Chose a 1:1 ratio, then click generate. After waiting for 15 seconds, this is what I got. The second is Magic Media from Canva. This platform gives you 500 tokens to use every month, and it even comes with its own style. To access this AI, first you start a new project in Canva, and in the app section search for Magic Media. Then I pasted the prompt. After a couple of generations, this is the one I was satisfied with. And I hope you're still watching because I'm about to review the best part of this video. Now, moving on to the mind-blowing platform when it comes to watercolor clip art designs, CGDreams. With its plenty of style and better results, these AI images are comparable to Midjourney. But before generating this prompt, I changed the aspect ratio to square, and this is what I got. Now, putting them side by side, which would you rather use for your design? Now, here's the best part. I was able to put together 100 prompts that you can use to start this similar business. The link will be in the description. And special thanks to these incredible Patreon supporters for making this possible. Now, after the image creation, the next move is to put your design into Canva and use its background remover tool to take out the white background, since it's a clip art design. But before you upload your design to Etsy, it's best to upscale your design since AI generated images often has low resolution. For this, I use vectorizer to get this done. And since Etsy doesn't allow you to upload more than 5 designs, the best method is to put your design into a Google Drive folder and use the link to create a PDF page with a clickable download button. And you can easily do this in Canva by simply navigating to search for a PDF template and choose the one you prefer. Then add a download now button by searching for it in the element section and include the text instructing the customers to click on the button. Now, to make the button clickable, select the button, click on the 3 dots, swipe to the end and choose link. Copy the link of the Google Drive folder containing your designs and paste it here. After exporting it as PDF, your button will be clickable for anyone with access to the file. Finally, to all those who have watched this video until the end, you are truly committed to success. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.